Welcome back to the Couch to God channel. This is installment 3 of OBS Chevy restoration. On the previous episodes, we changed the front bumper, back bumper, painted the grille, painted behind the grille, changed the headlight assemblies. This week, look what finally came in the mail. We got a pair turn signal light assemblies. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the metal rim housing thing here, spray paint it black like we do to match everything else, and go ahead and slap it on. Should be a fun one. So to remove the trim on here, but we got these tabs that need to be bent back. We'll try to be as gentle as possible because I think we can only bend that so many times before it snaps off. Oop, I might be able to just, there she goes. That dry for about 10 minutes, so it's still a little bit tacky before we throw on our second coat. The reason why we're not going to wait till it dries completely is that if you put on your second coat when the first coat's still a little tacky, your second coat has a much better chance of sticking. While we wait for that paint to dry, let's go ahead and remove the old assemblies here. We'll have 4 screws right here. Some will be this little hex nut. My particular application is a T20. You'll note some of these when you buy them will say left hand or right hand or passenger or driver. So when they say left hand, they're talking about the driver's side. Right hand, they're talking about the passenger side. And then of course they say top so that you're facing the correct way. So for instance, if top is upside down, then you know your orientation is wrong, so you want it to be right side up so that you can read it. Installation is going to be the same. You want to be real careful with these. They are plastic. So you don't need to over tighten it because you definitely will break the lens itself. That trim is all metal, so it's pretty strong, but you can break the lens behind it. That was a pretty straightforward and easy install, but very necessary because it just looks so much better now. Whenever the mail catches up with us, we got a brand new bow tie coming in. We have a nice bug guard. We have window visors, drip guards coming in. We have a new door handle to install. I gotta go pick up some more screws and stuff because I'm missing some, so we're gonna head to the hardware store actually right now and maybe hammer this one out today or maybe hammer it out tomorrow. I'm not sure, but we need to get that door fixed. And also when the mail catches up, we're going to change out the hinge pins. because that driver's door is nasty. As well as we're going to fix up the tailgate. That's going to do it for this video, folks. If this helped you out in some way, or if you found it entertaining, please consider hitting that like button. If you want to keep up with the OBS Chevy build restoration project, the Yoda project, Project Pig, the LB7 Alaskan Overland rig, and the camper rebuild, hit that subscribe button and notification bell button thingy, because we're always doing something around here. So I gotta get back to it, guys. We'll see you on that next video.